Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw a super easy Easter chicken. Let's get started. Okay. So first, we're gonna draw the face like always. So we're gonna start off with the eyes. The eyes are really easy. They're just little ovals like this. And the other one is also like that. Like this. You can color it in. Alright, now the other eye. Alright, now the beak. So for the beak, you just have to draw kind of like a straight line, but kind of not straight line. It's kind of like curved a little. And then a really stretched out U, like this. Alright, you just do the end to this end and then like that. Alright, this chicken is going to be like on the inside of the egg, so we're gonna draw the body, but then just stop at certain points because we have to draw the egg. So we're gonna draw a short curved line like this and another one of the same length on the other side. Alright, now that we got that, we're gonna draw the wings. So the wings, you just gotta curve up like this. And this is kind of hard, but kind of easy, like in the middle. So you're gonna just curve down like this, go forward, curve down, go forward, and curve all the way kind of to the, like, the teensiest bit less than the end of the line. I'm just gonna do the same thing. Straight, down, straight, straight. All right, we got the chicken part. Now we're gonna do the egg part. So for the egg, we're gonna just draw. So first let's draw the cracked open part. So we're just gonna draw zigzag, just a lot of triangles, but don't make a line at the top. Triangle, triangle, triangle. You can make it like this. And then triangle, triangle. It could be all shapes and sizes. That's what makes it like interesting. So it's not just like perfectly cracked. Alright, now that we got that part, draw the actual egg shape. So everyone probably knows how an egg looks like smaller at the top kind of and a little bigger at the bottom. So you gotta do the same thing at the bottom. Just like this. And like this. Now I'm gonna draw some details, but you can make them however you want. I'm just gonna draw little circles. You could use a ruler if you can't really draw straight lines that well, but some people are better than other people because they practice. You could use stars, but I did circles. And if you ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, you could always pause the video or rewind it. Alright, we're done with the chicken. So it's time to color. The colors that I'm gonna use are light aqua, violet mist, Cannery Yellow, Mineral Orange, and Tico Peach. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you had fun drawing with me. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!